Ever sewn a zipper
These
and
are
it
my
didn't sit
zipper
well?
for
Let me show you the simple hack of sewing an invisible zipper on a lining and in between a lining. Welcome to Sewing Tips by Modivas. Let's dive into class.
these are my zipper for the illustration, and these are already sewn clothes I'll be using for the class. Okay, this is the top sewn separate with the lining. Now I have marked out my zipper allowance. This is the zipper allowance. My zip is going to end somewhere here, so I'll sew down. Do same with the lining, then we'll come back to fix the zipper. Now this is the zipper attached to the main fashion fabric. Only the zipper attached to the fabric itself. This is the back and this is the front. Now this is the lining separated from the fabric itself. So now I'm going to sew down the zipper. This is how it's looking. That's how it's looking. The zipper has been fixed. Now I'll go back to the sewing machine and fix the lining. Now I'm going to fix the lining like this. Just try to get to this point. Then this is the right side of the main dress and this is the lining. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. Now I'll place it right side facing the right side. This is the right side of the lining. This is how the zip is going to look like at the back. So now I'll bring the lining and place right side on the right side. Then this is the already marked out allowance for the zip. So now I'm going to sew the lining on top of the zipper. Part 2 will come next week. Please, if this has helped you a little, please like and subscribe.